Through this small video, we will understand how to use the PPT shared with you while conducting a quiz. Now, you already know the basics of conducting a QMath quiz event. It is divided into 3 categories and has 3 rounds of questions. You can have 2 to 6 teams from the same category participating at one time. Let us assume that you have 3 teams from category 1, that is grades 1 and 2, ready for the quiz event. So, how do we use the quiz PPT and conduct a quiz for these teams? Open the relevant PPT, the one meant for category 1, and start the first round of the quiz with this slide. Read out the rules for this round and move to the next slide. Now, as you can see, you have 4 questions for each group. The quiz will start with the first question for team 1 and then move to question 1 for team 2, and so on, till all the teams have attempted their first question. After that, you'll have to move on to question 2 for team 1 and so on. For example, if you have 3 teams, start with question 1 team 1 and then move on to question 1 team 2. Next is question 1 team 3. After the question 1s are done for all the 3 teams, move on to question 2 for team 1, then question 2 for team 2 and so on. When you click on each of these question numbers, you will be taken to the slide with the question. From the question slide, to go back to the index page, click on this home button. Once you're done with the first round, you can move to the second round by clicking on this button. Similar to round 1, the second round will start with the rules. Discuss the rules with the participants and move on to the next slide, which is the index slide. As you can see, it is marked with the team numbers. If you cannot find this slide on your PPT, then download the PPT again. Click on the button with the team's number to view the question. Remember that the Rapid Rage round has 6 questions. Start from question number 1. After that, disclose one question at a time. Only when the team gives an answer, right or wrong, or passes the question, move to the next question. This round is about the number of questions that the team can attempt in a minute. From the questions page, click on this button to go back to the index slide. When all the teams have completed this round, click on the round 3 button to go to the next round. Just like the previous round, discuss the rules and move on to the index slide. In this round, the teams get to select the category and the difficulty of the question. Depending on their selection, click on the relevant box. This will open the slide with the question. Like always, use the home button to go back to the index slide. PPTs for other 2 categories also follow the same structure. So go ahead and use this PPT to conduct a successful quiz event for your center.